What does that say? Oh, it's so cute. What?
The video you just saw was an American man, Steven Weber, proposing to his girlfriend, Kenisha Antoine, at a underwater resort in Tanzania. Now, just in case you're wondering what the note says, it reads, I can't hold my breath long enough to tell you everything I love about you. Everything I love about you, I love more every day. The flip side of the note reads, will you please be my wife? Marry me. Then Mr. Weber proceeded to take an engagement ring out of his pocket, present it to her before swimming out of view. Kenisha, who said yes, proceeded to upload the video to Facebook, only to later update that unfortunately Mr. Weber did not make it up from the depths. Kenisha wrote, there are no words adequate enough to honor the beautiful soul that is Steven Weber Jr. You were a bright light to everyone you encountered. You never met a stranger and you brought so much joy to many people. You were kind, compassionate. You regularly made me cry with laughter. And you showered me with a love like none other had experienced. You never emerged from those depths, so you never get to hear my answer. Yes, yes, yes a million times. Yes, I will marry you. We never got to embrace and celebrate the beginning of the rest of our lives together. As the best day of our lives turned into the worst day, in the cruelest twist of fate imaginable, I will try to make solace in the fact that we enjoyed the most amazing bucket list experience those past days, and that we both were so happy and absolutely giddy with excitement in our final moments together. Just a couple days before you died, you said to me, I have seen a few cancer patients on this trip, and it dawned on me that this is a once-in-a-lifetime thing that people want to experience before they die. And here we are in the prime of our life doing this. We are so blessed. Yes, we were perfect, my love, my angel, my soul. Yes, we were. And I will carry the blessing of the love we shared with me forever. I will find you and marry you in the next lifetime, and the next, and the next, and the next. I love you so much, and I always will. Please pray for all the family and friends that love him so much. Please love each other while you can and as hard as you can. I know wherever in the universe even spirit now reside, that is exactly what he's doing. Giving love and spreading joy and laughter. And knowing him, always quick with an off-color joke. He's probably entertaining someone with a story about how he royally screwed up that proposal and died while being extra. Rest well, my sweet baby. Always know that you are forever loved. This is very sad indeed. I just want to say condolences to the family of Mr. Steve Weber and also to his fiancée, Kenisha Antoine. Now, I couldn't find a story to tell what happened while he was under the water, but there's an ongoing investigation and I will try my best to keep you updated with this story as much as I can. So thank you for watching this video. Please get in the comment section, send some love to her and condolences to the family of the victim. And please like and share. Please follow the page if you're not following. Thank you.